How can an individual lead a balanced life?
So, how we can balance a life? I would say work on your goals. What do you want in life? So, what's the purpose that you feel? That will have a lot of help us to understand ourselves first. So, what makes me happy, and all those things. You can go it with a vision board, I would say. So, whatever the technique that we discussed so far about goal setting, book reading, waking up in the morning, and all those things, right? You know, put this effort. You cannot rush it up and do all the things at the same time. This month you can have one as a target. Okay, so this month you will start with one practice. So next month you will study one course, like that. You can do some practice. Have a vision board of it. So vision board. Generally, vision board is like you can have a chart or paper and something, right? So, what is your this year goal? What do you want to achieve in terms of multiple aspects? For example, you take Steve Jobs example. It's a very successful person. What kind of the revolution that he took it for this one, the Apple and industries, and still now how it is popular and all those things, right? But even in this talk, he regretted one thing. You remember? Yes, he mentioned in his talk is like, I badly failed in taking care of my health. He was continuously running towards the business, company, and all those things, right? The growth of the company and all those things, right? But he regretted that he failed to take care of his health. Okay, when we are able to, okay, we earn lots, okay, but you're not taking care of the health. Okay, you keep running, but you're not sleeping well. All these things that you are missing it right now, where you're good in doing in one thing but not balancing the other, it will have impact in your life. For example, someone who's so workaholic, who's spending a lot of time with the work because the company pays you and you work and all those things, but you don't spend any time with your family. This will obviously hinder your peace of mind and it will affect your life. Okay, so when you want it, yes, the happiness or the growth and all those comes when you have a balance in everything, balanced in your health, relationship is friends, family, social life, and all those things. And you need to work on your money factor. Of course, money is one of the factor. Yes, so why, of course, everyone needs a money to well study and all those things. So money is a factor. And how you're going to decide your career. Yes, another one is a spiritual life. What do you want? So the spiritual life means, it doesn't mean that we have to go leave the current situation and go somewhere. It's not that way, right? If you're able to keep your mind calm, positive, and mindful, and all those things, right? You'll be able to be successfully apply in all other sector, your money, career, and all those things. You have a better clarity on all those things, right? So work on all this. Okay. Now I'm focusing on all this aspect. So if any one thing goes down, as I said, you're very successful in your job, but your family life is is very bad. Okay. It will obviously affect your peace of mind. You're not going to be happy at that time. Yes or no? So any of this that has been missing is going to impact us in a bad way. Okay. So it has to be balanced, all those things. So you decide, you ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in all the five factor in this? Yes. Ask yourself, explore and understand about yourself, come up with your goals. Based on your goals, go out with 1 year vision board. And you see the vision board every day, it reminds you, yes, okay, you are deciding this course or this semester I have to be 9.3 should be my CGPA. That's a target you're fixing, and putting it in your room and you're seeing it every day. That reminds you in a positive way. It will help you to take action. Maybe 1 or 2 days, some days you might be low, you may not take it. But again and again, when you see the pictures, but you have to put it as a picture, not picture and words together, not just like that. So what if you check it out? You can take up a note or you take a chart, fix up pictures and all those things and put it in this one. Every day you see, right? It reminds ourselves about our goals. How to take action. See, all the technique, whatever we have looking into it, it all works only if you consistently taking action towards it. If you're not taking action, sometimes it might be low, we are not doing it. That is totally fine. But again, you have to come back to it. I want to reduce 10 kgs. I do for 5 days for diet, then I don't do a diet. Obviously, I'm not going to be successful at that, right? So, this consistency and discipline is needed in all aspects of a life for everyone of all age group.